Don't ignore your existing clients. You know, the biggest mistake I see creatives making is when a job is finished and they've kind of had the invoice paid and they've sort of put it to bed, they kind of just wait for that client to get in touch with them again. They ignore their existing clients. Now, that's a very dangerous move to make. J. Abraham famously said, you've got to get everything you can out of all that you've got before you start going externally. And what he means by that is you probably have enough business with your existing clients to actually fulfill all the needs that you have in your business. The chances are you simply don't follow up with your existing clients and check in. One very simple way to do that is to go, hey, Bob, how did that project go? Just wanted to check in, see what kind of results you got with it. What would you do differently next time? Is there anything you'd like to change next time? Give me some idea of how that project's gone for you. It shows a great deal of interest in the client, and they will reciprocate by saying, hey, do you know what? We've actually got some more work. If you can get your clients to give you 2 or 3 more projects a year on top of what they're already doing, your numbers will increase. Again, just by giving them a call.